A shocking truth about weight loss. Did you know that 95% of diets fail long term? And what if I told you that the secret to weight loss isn't just about cutting calories or hitting the gym, but something happening inside your cells? That's where Mitolyn comes in, a supplement that claims to supercharge your metabolism and energy levels. But does it really work? I put it to the test for 108 days, and today I'll reveal everything. The science, the results, the pros, the cons, and whether it's actually worth your money. Stay tuned because what I found might surprise you. So, what exactly is Mitolyn? It's a supplement designed to support mitochondrial health. Basically, the tiny power plants inside your cells that produce energy. The company claims that by optimizing your mitochondria, you can burn fat more efficiently, boost your energy levels, improve overall metabolic health. But does science back this up? And more importantly, does it actually work for real people like you and me? Let's dive in. How Mitolyn works. Breaking down the ingredients. The magic behind Mitolyn is in its ingredient list, which is packed with mitochondria-supporting compounds. Here's a quick breakdown. CoQ10 and PQQ. These are powerhouse antioxidants that help generate new mitochondria, theoretically boosting metabolism and energy. Berberine and resveratrol, common in anti-aging and metabolic health supplements. They may help regulate blood sugar and fat burning. Alpha-lipoic acid and acetyl L-carnitine. These support energy production and may help with fat oxidation. Each of these ingredients sounds promising, but do they actually translate to real weight loss? That's where user results come in. I wanted to see real measurable results, so I took Mitolyn every day for 108 days. Here's what happened. First 2 weeks, slight energy boost, but no weight change yet. Sleep improved, felt more rested in the mornings. 1 month in, down 4 lbs without changing my diet drastically. Energy levels were consistently higher, no midday crashes. After 2 months, weight loss picked up, down 9 lbs total. Found myself craving less junk food and feeling fuller. End of 108 days. Final weight loss. 15 lbs without extreme dieting. Muscle tone improved, likely due to more energy for workouts. Overall metabolism felt faster, but was it Mitolyn or just lifestyle improvements? Mitolyn pros and cons. The truth pros. Noticeable energy boost within the first few weeks, improved focus and alertness throughout the day, supports weight loss without drastic dietary changes, clean ingredient list, no harmful fillers. Cons, not a magic pill, you still need to eat right and exercise. Pricey compared to basic supplements. Some users reported mild digestive discomfort in the first week, no instant weight loss, results take consistent. So how does Mitolyn stack up against other weight loss supplements? VS, fat burners, caffeine-based. Unlike typical fat burners, Mitolyn doesn't give you jittery energy spikes or crashes. VS, keto supplements. Mitolyn works even if you're not on a keto diet, while many keto-based products only help in ketosis. VS multivitamins. Most multivitamins don't specifically target mitochondrial function, which is Mitolyn's unique angle. Overall, it's a more holistic approach to weight loss compared to typical fat burners. My final verdict, should you buy Mitolyn? So, should you spend your hard-earned money on Mitolyn? If you're looking for a sustainable way to boost metabolism and energy, it could be worth it. If you expect overnight weight loss, this isn't for you. If you're already following a healthy lifestyle and want extra support, Mitolyn might help push results further. Would I buy it again? Yes, but only if I'm serious about long-term metabolic health. What do you think? Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried Mitolyn? Did it work for you? Drop your experiences in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more no BS supplement reviews. See you in the next one.